Hey, what's good, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today I'm just going to run through the trade I took earlier today. Opening on Monday following some pretty bad news with the US bombing Iran, something like that. So a lot of FUD, I guess, in the market. So the one trade I took today was actually a pretty good trade. It was a 2.2%, around 2.2% winner of the account. Okay. That's right, 50k, 500. Yeah, 2.2%, which is pretty good. Okay, made 1.1k with only really one trade. We scaled in a few times, so it was a good trade today. This one's for the thumbnail. Hopefully you get it. It gets good. Great trade. I'll show you really quickly. When the market opened, there was a massive gap down on Nasdaq, as you can see here, massive gap down, and then as price started to play up a little bit, it was I guess making its way back up to this gap. And now I was working at the time, so I just looked to take this. I saw there was so this is what we saw. Okay, so we saw price came up, created a little bottom here, break of structure, creating an internal break. Remember, we're on the 1 minute, so internal break here. So we've got this protected high. Let me just change this to a protected high, or internal protected high, and then we've got this internal protected low. After price, I drew this sort of square at the 3 minute point of interest. So this candle here, this black candle, final black candle before the reverse. The reason why I took this one over the one on its left is because this one mitigates all the price action on the left, because it comes down and sweeps at that sort of same candle area. And then we've also got this sort of inducement right here as well, which is pretty cool to note. So we've got that inducement, price came down before going back up. Anyways, I wanted to look for a long into this protected high structure, and I found one found an entry after price had sort of swept this entire point of interest and started making its way up. So took a long from there on out, and then I initially targeted this protected high, but as I was watching the trade and I had other things going on, I decided to take profit early. In the end, it did really hit the high, internal protected high, which is good, but you know, yeah, I don't know, I didn't have the confidence to hold it through, so it's something I need to work on. But yeah, that would have been a pretty cool 2.2k win or 3.6 risk to reward, but that's all right. We stuck with, we got our 2.08 risk to reward, and yeah, price continues to break. And then I tried to look for another entry, but there wasn't really many opportunities. I mean, there was sort of something like here, but based off this sort of candle structure on the 1 minute, it didn't really look like a full clean break, especially if you were looking at something like this, because it just wicks above and comes back down. And I couldn't really find a long. There was a long opportunity here, but I couldn't really find that myself. So let's just say we keep taking this break. If we wanted to look for a long, we'll look at sort of something like this. These POIs, as you can see, no opportunities there. Do we have another long opportunity here? Not really. And yeah, there really isn't many long opportunities. Maybe if we look at something like this, no, swept through it. I guess that one there. See, as you can see, and then I just went about my day. I essentially locked myself out so I can stop trading. So yeah, I am happy with today's session. So yeah, that's a pretty good day. As you can see, we're doing well. We made a payout as well. So this is good. We shall see how we go on with day 30. I think it's day 35. I don't know, but yeah, that's today's session, chat. I'll see you in tomorrow's session. Good game. Bye.